See, the traffic management plan for the new that which is being used now, connecting Porvorim to Panjim. There are new challenges that are coming up. One of the challenges is from the side of Porvorim, wherein traffic which is coming from Panjim towards Porvorim land up on the road which is being presently used on the old bridge, and there is also a bus stop there. Now this is something that requires attention not only by the PWD but also by traffic police. So we have become aware of this reality. We will take it up from Goacan side with the traffic police, and at the earliest propose some intervention that we can avoid any possible collision that may take place, particularly as there is a bus stop there. Now what happens in traditional bus stops is that the local passenger buses stop to take passengers at a local route. Now this can endanger the cars which are coming from behind, because the bus stops suddenly, and as the vehicles coming from the bridge are coming at high speed, it is but natural there is an interface there, and this interface can result in a collision. As of now, no accidents have taken place, which is good, but if no immediate measures are put in place, this could result in a problem. So definitely we will take it up and flag the issue with the North Goa collector as well. I think right now needs to be done is a closer look at the problem at the bridge, so that after studying the movement of traffic at the bridge, PWD and traffic police can suggest what steps to be taken. But I think right now the divider needs to be extended by putting more bollards at the moment, and possibly putting some more reflector lights there, reflector strips there, so that people are aware that two lines of traffic are meeting there. And once that visual has been taken, it will be possible to come up with a more long-term solution.
Okay, sir. The new bridge आहा पळय ते majestic side मातशे प्रॉब्लम जाता तेचे कितें तुमचे सजेशन्स?
पळय आतांच नवो कमिशन जाल्लो आसा ब्रिज, आनी ताका लागून रस्त्याचेर थोडे कडेन इम्प्रुवमेंट्स चालू आसा. फॉर एग्जांपल सकयल पत्रकार कॉलनीचे सर्कल आसा पळय, हिरो होंडा सर्कल म्हणटा तें टेम्पररी आमी सर्कल घाल्लें आसा. ते ताजें वर्किंग कशें जाता तें पयलीं पळयतले. ऑलवेज इट इज ऑन ट्रायल बेसीस, and once we find that it is functioning properly, only then we will improve on that junction. तशेंच मागीर मालिमूय सर्कल तयार करपाचें आसा, आनी ते भायर जो पळय वयल्यान रस्तो देंवता थंय विविंगेक मातशें प्रॉब्लेम जाता. विविंग म्हणल्यार वयल्यान येता ती ट्राफीक आनी सकयल ती ट्राफीक ती बरोबर जुळून वचपाक जाय फुडें. सो तें आतां सद्या कशें चल्लां थंय आमचें हें चालू आसा, निरीक्षण चालू आसा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली आमी मागीर फुडें डिसिजन घेतलें.
आणि ते फुडले ते मॅजेस्टिक आहा पळय तिकासो ते बस स्टॉपूय आहा, सो दॅट ऑल्सो इज क्रिएटिंग
the whole area we are going to remodel that area. The whole area आसा पळय ताजेर परत आमी we are going to rethink on that area. See what happens is, in view of the new bridge, a lot of traffic comes down the bridge, as well as there are some vehicles which are already passing from the old bridge, from the lower road. So that is what I was explaining. The moment we see how the pattern of the traffic behaves over there, you have to first study the pattern of the traffic. This is not possible in advance. We cannot foresee everything in advance. So once we come to know that how the traffic behaves there, accordingly we will take